Our purpose is to help people create real wealth. And the way we see real wealth, it's where people have the money and also the freedom to live life on their own terms. We believe the best way to create this kind of passive income, this ongoing cash flow, is to invest in assets that generate that positive cash flow.
Real Wealth Network simplifies the process of buy and hold real estate. And buy and hold means simply owning property that pays you monthly positive cash flow so you don't have to work forever.
So since 2003, we've helped our members build and secure their wealth by getting the right price on the best income properties in the strongest markets.
People get so busy, they know they want to invest in real estate, but they don't know how to get started. So we help them by identifying the best U.S. markets to buy real estate, finding the best teams in those markets, to find the properties, to renovate them for people, and then to find the tenants and offer ongoing property management for what we call a done-for-you real estate investment.
So we were able to sell one property in the Bay Area, San Francisco, and turn it over into almost 20 properties and increase our income sixfold. So
yeah,
it's incredible.
We've created a safe place for people to become financially literate. All our lives we've been taught to just trust somebody else with our money and hope they do a good job with it. And we can't do that anymore if we really want to retire wealthy and happy. We've got to take charge of our own finances.
I think members know that. They know that, well, I'm not going it alone. I'm part of a network of people. So there's a tremendous amount of buying power and clout that goes along with that.
As soon as I plugged into Real Wealth Network, it was great because I had this huge support group. I have tons of friends. We exchange business cards, and I'll say, hey, where are you investing right now, and how's that worked out for you? And they're just really honest.
The Real Wealth Investor Academy is the Real Wealth Network's education program. My job is to go find all the industry experts and real estate professionals and help them share their knowledge with the membership.
We really didn't know anything about real estate investing, and with their education program, everything that's on their website and their academy, my cash flow has increased so much that I recently retired about a month ago, and now with all that free time, I'm able to use it to focus on things that are important to us.
So most of what we teach people to do is to invest in properties, single-family homes or 1 to 4 unit buildings, but some people would rather get into the bigger deals, apartments, commercial. So we learned that we could do syndications and bring together maybe 50 investors putting in $50,000 or $100,000 and be able to pick up these large subdivisions, and it's just been incredible.
Real Wealth Network live events are a monthly occurrence. Members can come to our events, and that gets the process started for them to purchasing property.
It's an opportunity for investors to come out really for twofold. One, for education, and we're big on education. Secondly, it gives our operators or affiliate teams an opportunity to present those products that might make sense for them.
You know, it's very good, practical information, and I think that the people that are giving the presentations have a lot of integrity.
It's just wonderful to have somebody that you can trust and depend on and from whom you can learn before you step into the puddle.
They're willing to give you the information and the tools, and they don't ask for much in return. I mean, they're very generous.
I think that's their biggest benefit to members of their network is they provide so much free education.
So when you walk into a room, you walk into one of our meetings, you can talk to 20 different people who've worked with somebody and have had a wonderful experience. So those kinds of referrals are very, very valuable.
Kind of their motto is no back to the room, boot camp seminars. It really is educational, and then you decide what you want to do.
What have we created at Real Wealth Network? Number one is connection. It's number one on our core values, our company values, is we connect people. And so the connections that we share with our staff, the connections that our members share with each other, we connect members to our affiliates with markets in these different properties. So we have definitely created connection.